the way that we compare large numbers is the same as we do when we are comparing smaller numbers. And you could do it in two different ways, up and down or looking sideways. So if we have two numbers that we want to compare, if we have 23,947 and we want to compare it to 23,982, we could look at these two numbers. We know we want to compare them, and when we compare numbers, we're trying to decide if one is greater than the other or if they are equal to each other. So when we compare, we want to compare the same place values. So we would start by looking. I see this number has a 10,000 and this number has a 10,000. So I'm looking and I'm looking, and the 10,000 spot both have a 2 in that spot. So both have two 10,000s or 20,000s. So I need to move to the next place value because that one is not helpful. I go over here, I have 3,000s and 3,000s. Well, that's the same as well, so I need to go next door. 900s, 900s. Still, I need to find a difference because right now both numbers are showing me that they are equal up to this point. So I go over here, I have 4 10s and 8 10s. This 4 10s represents 40 and this 8 10s represents 80. Since all of the bigger place values are the same, I know that 8 10s or 80 is greater than 4 10s or 40. So this number, 23,982, is greater than 23,947. Or, reading it across, 23,947 is less than 23,982. We could also do this by stacking our numbers, and it gets the same result. 23,947 and 23,982. I look, I see that my 10s are the same, my 10,000s are the same, my thousands are the same, my hundreds are the same. Here I'm different, 4 10s and 8 10s, so I know that this number, 23,982, is greater than the other number. Something to keep in mind is when you're doing place value comparing, you need to make sure your place values are lined up. So if you have a number that's 23,997, I think I read that wrong, 23,997,295, and I'm comparing it to 23,997, I can't start with the first place values. I need to make sure that they are lined up. So this is when I find that stacking is helpful, making sure that my 10,000s are lined up, my thousands are lined up, and then the rest of my numbers fall into place. And I can easily see that this number doesn't have 10 millions, so when comparing, the 23 million number is greater than the other.